Find the area of triangle. Okay, whose vertices are 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 and 2 comma minus 4. Here first point is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into symbol x1 into plus x2 into plus x3 into. Okay, here y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now substitute 1 by 2 into x1 under 2 into y2, y2 equals to 0 minus y3, y3 value is minus 4 under plus 4 plus x2, x2 value is minus 1 into y3 minus y1 minus 4 minus y1, y1 equals to 3 plus x3, x3 value is 2 into y1 minus y2, 3 minus y2 is 0, 1 by 2 into 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 2 into 3. It is 1 by 2 into 8 minus into minus plus 7 plus 6. 1 by 2 into 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. That is, here modulus means, okay, both negative or positive, the result will be positive only. 21 by 2, that is 10.5 square units or unit square. Area means square. Okay, shortcut method. Listen, simple shortcut method. What is given points 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 0 2 comma minus 4. Okay, area of the triangle 1 by 2 into modulus. Right, first coordinates. What is first coordinate? 2 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 2. First number write again 2 number. Okay, y coordinates 3 0 minus 4, again first number write last. 1 by 2 into, now multiply, front multiply as it is, 2 into 0 0, back multiplication, it is right opposite sign. Okay, actually what is this? Minus 1 into 3 minus 3, but we write plus 3, opposite sign. Okay, now this is direct as it is, minus 1 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 1 into 4 4, but here back multiplication. Okay, write opposite sign, after multiplication write opposite sign. 2 into 0 0, okay, 0 means no need, plus 0 minus 0 both same. Okay, next one, 2 into 3, how much? Direct as it is, 6, back multiplication, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 actually, but we write plus 8, opposite sign. Okay, 1 by 2 into, now add 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 8 21. Okay, that is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 unit square. Okay, find the area of triangle whose vertices are minus 5 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 5, 5 comma 2. Okay, here x1 y1 first coordinate, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now area of triangle formula, half into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substitute this value in that formula. x1 minus 5 into y2, y2 is minus 5 minus y3, y3 equals to 2 plus x2, x2 equals to 3, y3 2 minus y1, y1 is negative, already negative there, right opposite sign, plus x3 5 into y1 minus 1 minus y2, y2 is negative, negative means right opposite sign, that modulus close. 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4 Okay, 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 7, minus into minus plus 5 7s are 35 plus 9 plus 20. Okay, half into modulus 35 plus 9 44, 44 plus 20 64, that is 32 unit square. Okay, find the area of triangle whose vertices 0 0 3 0 0 2, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, 1 by 2 into x1 0 into y2 0 minus y3 2 plus x2 is 3 into y3 2 minus y1 0 plus x3 0 into y1 0 minus y2 0. Okay, 1 by 2 into 0 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 0 into 0, that is 1 by 2 into 3 into 2 6 by 2, that is 3 unit square or square units. The value of k for which the points are collinear. Collinear points means 3 points on same line. This is collinear. Collinear, that means delta equals to 0. Okay, delta equals to 0 means area of the triangle equals to 0. Okay, suppose 2 points on one line, third point is different. For example, this is the triangle shape like this. Suppose third point different means it's a triangle shape. Okay, but 3 points on same line, that means it's a straight line. Okay, not triangle shape. That is means area of the triangle equals to 0. That means area of the triangle equals to 0. Now area of triangle, what is that? Area of triangle formula half into delta equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Okay, 1 by 2. First substitute this value. x1 7 into y2 1 minus y3 means k plus x2 is 5 into y3 k minus y1 minus 2 there, minus 2 means plus 2 plus x3 means 3 into y1, what is y1? Minus 2. Okay, minus y2 is minus 1. 1 by 2 into 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Half into 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 10. Okay, plus into minus 3 into 3 9. Half into, okay, first 5k minus 7k minus 2k. Okay, 10 minus 9 1 plus 7 8. Okay, now but given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Given collinear means delta equals to 0. Delta equals to 0 means half into modulus minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, modulus minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0 into 2. Okay, here 2 is division. Okay, now change into multiplication. Modulus minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. But here actually number there, for example, number means plus or minus. Modulus means plus or minus, but 0 means plus or minus 0. Plus or minus 0 means both same. Okay, now minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. Minus 2k equals to plus 8 changes, minus 8, minus cancel, k equals to 8 by 2. Now k equals to 4. Those are 2 4s are. Okay, another times 7. Okay, 1 by 2 into delta value equals to 7 5 3 again 7. First coordinates Okay, now second coordinates minus 2, 1, k, first one right, last one as it is. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 7 into 1, 7, but back multiplication, right, opposite sign. 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 10 means right plus 10. 5 into k, 5k as it is, but back multiplication, right, opposite side. 3 into 1, 3 and minus 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, back multiplication, right, opposite side. Plus 7 into k, actually plus 7k, right, minus 7k. That is 1 by 2 into 5k minus 7k, that is minus 2k. Okay, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 minus 9 plus 8. Okay, now collinear, delta equals to 0. Given points are collinear means delta equals to 0. 1 by 2 into modulus minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. Minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0 into 2, 0. Now minus 2k plus 8 equals to 0. Plus 8 changes. Minus 8. Minus minus cancel. K equals to 8 by 2. Now k equals to 4. This is okay. Given points are collinear. Okay. Now find the value of k. Collinear points means area of the triangle equals to 0. That means delta equals to 0. Okay. Now 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 5, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. 1 by 2 into x1, 8 into y2 minus y3, y2 equals to minus 4 minus y3, y3 again negative, minus into minus plus, okay, 5 plus x2, x2 equals to k into y3 minus 5 minus y1 is 1 plus x3 2 into y1 1 minus y2, y2 is minus 4, minus 4 means plus 4. Okay, 1 by 2 into 8 into 1 plus k into minus 6 plus 2 into 5. Okay, 1 by 2 into 8 minus 6k plus 10. 1 by 2 into minus 6k plus 18. 8 plus 10 is 18. Okay, now given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Collinear means delta equals to 0. Okay, that means 1 by 2 into minus 6k plus 18 equals to 0. Modulus minus 6k plus 18 equals to 0. Here 2 is division. Now change into multiplication. Okay, 0 into 2, that is 0. Okay, now minus 6k plus 18 equals to 0. Plus 18 changes. Minus 6k equals to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. K equals to 18. 6 is multiplication. Now change into division. 6 ones are 6 threes are. K equals to 3. The value of k for which the points are collinear. K comma k, 2 comma 3, 4 comma minus 1. Area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, 1 by 2 into x1, okay, k into y2 minus y3, 3 minus y3 is again minus 1 and plus 1 plus x2, x2 means 2 into y3 minus 1 minus y1, y1 is k plus x3 4 into y1 k minus y2, y2 is 3. Okay, 1 by 2 into k into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4 into k minus 3. Okay, 1 by 2 into now multiplication k into 4, 4k plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 into minus k minus 2k plus 4 into k 4k plus 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Okay, 1 by 2 into 4k plus 4k, 8k, 8k minus 2k, that is 6k. Okay, minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Okay, but given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Collinear means delta equals to 0. Okay, that means 1 by 2 into modulus 6k minus 14 equals to 0. 6k minus 14 equals to 0 into 2, that is 0. Okay, now 6k minus 14 equals to 0. 6k equals to minus 14 changes plus 14, k equals to 14 by 6, 2 3s are 2 7s are. Now k equals to 7 by 3. Question number 3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the ratio of the given triangle. Okay, first midpoints. Here vertices are given 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0, 3. Okay, midpoints. Okay, midpoint of AB equals to, suppose this is P point. Okay, next Q is the midpoint of BC. Okay, R is the midpoint of AC. Okay, right. P is the midpoint of AB, that equals to midpoint AB. Midpoint is first coordinate x1 plus x2 by 2, first one plus first one by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 1 plus 2 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, that is P equals to 2 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0 by 2, that is 0. 2 ones are. Okay, P equals to 1, 0. Now this is 1, 0. Next, Q is the midpoint of BC. Q equals to 2 plus 0 by 2 for x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay, Q equals to 2 by 2, 4 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, therefore Q equals to 1, 2. This is 1, 2. R is the midpoint of AC. R, okay, 0 plus 0 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay, R equals to 0, 2 by 2. Okay, R equals to 0, 1. Okay, now P equals to how much? 1, 0. Q equals to how much? 1, 2. R equals to how much? 0, 1. Okay, now joining these points, this is a triangle. Okay, now find PQR, area of the triangle. P 1, 0, Q 1, 2, R 0, 1. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of triangle formula delta equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Formula 1 by 2 into x1, 1 into y2 minus y3, 2 minus y3 is 1 plus x2, 1 into y3, 1 minus y1, 0 plus x3, 0 into y1, 0 minus y2 is 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 minus 1, 1 into 1 minus 0, 1 plus 0 into something, 0. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, that equals to delta equals to 1 by 2 into modulus 2. Delta equals to 2 by 2, that is 1 unit square. Simply delta equals to 1 unit square. Here delta means triangle PQR equals to 1 unit square. Triangle, area of triangle PQR. Okay, next ABC given. A 0 comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1, C 0 comma 3. Okay, here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now substitute 1 by 2 into x1 0 into y2 minus y3, simply substitute. Okay, 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 2, y3 3 minus y1 is negative means here positive, plus x3 is 0 into y1 minus 1 minus y2 minus 1. 1 by 2 into here 0 into something, that is 0, plus 2 into 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 into something 0. Okay, that equals to 1 by 2 into 8, that is 8 by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, delta equals to 4 unit square. What is this delta? ABC, area of triangle ABC, or triangle ABC equals to 4 unit square. Triangle ABC equals to 4 unit square. Okay, now finally one question there. Area of midpoints of the triangle ratio. Okay, triangle PQR ratio triangle ABC equals to. Okay, triangle PQR equals to how much? 1 unit. ABC equals to how much? 4 units. 1 is to 4. Quadrilateral whose vertices are minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5 and 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Okay, suppose this is the quadrilateral. Okay, order first one is okay minus 4 comma minus 2, B minus 3 comma minus 5, C 3 comma minus 2, B 2 comma 3. Okay, find area of the quadrilateral. Area find out. Okay, now here diagonal AC. Here quadrilateral is two equal parts. Two equal parts means two triangles. Okay, the triangle name is first one is A minus 4 comma minus 2, B minus 3 comma minus 5, C 3 comma minus 2. This is one triangle. Okay, now area of the triangle ABC. First of all, we find area of the triangle ABC and one more triangle A minus 4 comma minus 2, C 3 comma minus 2, D 2 comma 3. Okay, simply here area of quadrilateral means area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts means area of this triangle plus area of another triangle. Two triangles. That is okay. The sum of these area of two triangles equals to area of the quadrilateral. Okay, now formula. Okay, delta equals to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 Here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, 1 by 2 into x1 minus 4 into y2 minus 5 minus y3 minus 2 there and plus 2 plus x2 means minus 3 into y3 minus 2 minus y1 again minus and plus 2 plus x3 3 into y1 minus 2 minus y2 again minus and plus 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 3. 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 3 12 minus 3 into 0 0 plus 9, that is 1 by 2 into 21, 12 plus 9, 21, that is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 units square. Okay, now this triangle. Okay, area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now 1 by 2 into, substitute this value. 1 by 2 into x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus 2 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 3 into y3 3 minus y1 minus 2 means plus 2 plus x3 2 into y1 minus 2 minus y2 again minus plus 2. Okay, delta equals to 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 0. Delta equals to half into minus plus 4 5s are 20 plus 3 into 5 15 plus 0. Delta equals to 1 by 2 into 35. Okay, delta equals to 35 by 2, that is 17.5 units square. Therefore, area of quadrilateral equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. First one is 10.5, second one is 17.5, that is 27-28 centimeters square, sorry, unit square, 28 unit square. Okay, suppose if is it correct or not. Okay, area of quadrilateral 1 by 2. Okay, into first coordinates minus 4 minus 3 and last one 2. Okay, now write first number is last. Next second coordinates minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 3. Now write first number is last. Okay, 1 by 2 into, now multiplication, minus 4 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20. Now back multiplication. After multiplication, write opposite sign. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 3 into 2, 6. Actually plus 6, but write minus 6. Next, this is okay. As it is, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. But back multiplication, opposite sign. 3 into minus 5, minus 15, right, plus 15. 3 into 3, 9. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 means plus 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12 means plus 12. Plus 4, minus 4 cancel. Plus 6, minus 6 cancel. 1 by 2 into 20 plus 15, 35. 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 12, 56. That is 56 by 2, 2 1s are 2 28s are. that is 28 units square. Okay, 28 units square. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points 2, 3, 6, 3 and 2, 6 by using Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula is, okay, square root of delta equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here s equals to a plus b plus c by 2. What is a? Small letters a b c are sides. Okay, sides of triangle. Here vertices of triangle are given: a 2, 3, b 6, 3, c 2, 6. Here vertices, but Heron's formula, okay, we use sides only. Sides only. Sides means first of all we find distance of AB, distance of BC, distance of CA. Okay, first distance of BC. Distance of BC means it is a small a. Small a equals to BC. Okay, now B point equals to, what is that B point? 6, 3. What is C point? 2, 6. Okay, A equals to BC. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 6 minus 2 4 square plus 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is root 16 plus 9. Root 16 plus 9 is root 25. Root 25 value is 5. Now A equals to 5 units. A equals to 5. Okay. Now B means, small letter b means capital except to B, that is CA. Okay, CA. Okay, CA means C point is, what is C point? 2, 6. A point is 2, 3. Now B equals to CA distance. What is CA distance? 2 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 2 means 0. Whole square means 0. 6 minus 3 means 3 square. That is root 9. Root 9 is 3. That means B equals to root 3. Okay, B equals to root 3 units. Okay, B equals to 3. B equals to 3. Now A 2, 3, B 6, 3. AB means, okay, remaining small letter is C. C equals to square root of 6 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square, that is 4 square plus 0 square, that is root 16. Root 16 is 4. Okay, C equals to 4. Here C equals to 4. Okay, A equals to 5, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. A equals to 5, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. Now S equals to, what is S? A plus B plus C by 2. That is 5 plus 3 plus 4 by 2. That is 8 plus 4, 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. S equals to 6 units. S over. Now S minus A. What is S minus A? 6 minus 5, 1. S minus B, 6 minus 3, that is 3. S minus C, 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now delta formula, area of the triangle formula, Heron's formula, delta equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, square root of S means 6 into S minus A 1, S minus B 3, S minus C 2. Now delta equals to square root of 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 2, 36. Delta equals to root 36, that is 6 unit square. Okay, delta equals to, and the area of the triangle delta equals to 6 unit square. First of all, here we find vertices given. Vertices given means to be find, okay, to find small letters, sides, small a, small b, small c. Okay, that means distance of BC equals to small a, distance of CA equals to small b, distance of AB equals to small c, A equals to B equals to C equals to A equals to 5, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. Now S equals to formula A plus B plus C by 2, that is 6 units. S minus A, 6 minus 5, 1, S minus B, 6 minus 3, 3, S minus C, 6 minus 4, 2. Delta equals to formula S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now substitute that value 6 into 1 into 3 into 2. Delta equals to root 36. Root 36 value is 6 unit square.